Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 4 from Nobleness and Kindness, Nobleness. How did Yusuf help the stranger? ಯೂಸುಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಗೆ ಅಪರಿಚಿತನಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks. Yusuf offers his home to the stranger. That means he gave shelter to the stranger. He offers him food and protects him. ಆತ ತನಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಲು ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆತನನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಯೂಸುಫ್. ಓಕೆ. He treated him as his guest. ಆತ ತನ್ನ ಅತಿಥಿಯ ತರ ಆತನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He also offered him his fastest horse and some gold to the stranger to escape from the enemy and to live on. Okay. ಸೊ ಆತ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಓಡುವ ಕುದುರೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಚಿನ್ನ ಆಭರಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, this is how Yusuf offered him. He offers him shelter, food, and protects him from enemies. He treated him as his guest for that night, and he also offered him the fastest horse and some gold to escape from the enemies and to live on. Okay, thank you.